Good morning. How is everybody doing out there? I've been getting a lot of questions from folks on how I find these gap ideas that I trade. You know, the 3-bar plays, the breakouts. Like, well, how do you find those ideas, Jared? So I'm going to go over that today, guys. But first, let me log into my account. Okay, notice I'm clicking live trading. Okay, nobody else takes you through this because they don't want you to see behind the scenes. Okay, so we'll give it a second. All right, and we'll let the platform load up. Okay, give it a second, and then I'll get to my scanning monitor. Okay, and then I'll show you guys exactly how I scan for the open. Okay, so here we are, guys. Okay, what I have up here in front of you on the top left here is a dollar gainers list. Okay, so I'm going to go through this dollar gainers list, and then I'm also going to go through a dollar losers list, and I'm going to take what I think are the best ideas. And just so you guys know, right now I'm really focused on the 60-minute chart right here, and then the daily chart right here. Okay, the other thing I want you guys to notice is any stock that has no volume, like 0 here, 2 shares here, 0 shares here, 1 share here, I'm not even going to look at them. All right, so if you want to know how I get through a list of 300 or 400 stocks so quickly, literally 5 to 10 minutes I get through the list, it's because I don't look at most of those stocks with no volume. But stocks with big volume, for example, the first one on the list is WSM with 152,000 shares. I'm very interested, so let's click on it and take a look. What do we have? All right, so WSM, guys, right here, if I blow up the daily chart, okay, yesterday the thing put in a green bar to 49, and now today it's gapping up to 54.75. Okay, it's not a perfect gap, but it does give me room up to 56.30. So it gives me about $1.50 worth of room. This area right here is what we call void. Okay, so on 152,000 shares, I'm going to click this, WSM, and now I put it on my list on another monitor, and I'll come back to it later. All right, we'll check out DEO. It's an ADR. I don't trade those, so I'm going to skip this, skip this, skip this, skip this, skip this. I'll take a quick look at ALGN. Okay, and it's too extended on the daily, too many days up. Skip it, skip it, skip it. DE, let's take a look. 4,000 shares, gap into 158. Mediocre. This is one I might come back to later. It's not that great. Let's check BABA out. Okay, BABA. 198.39. It really needs to be at the $200 mark. If this was at 200, I might consider it. So nothing for BABA. Moving on. No, I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to look at it. All right, MDT. 86.75. Guys, where's the line here? 86.33. Oh, okay, so now we're getting a gap above a topping tail and above a consolidation. It's a stock that does about 3 or 4 million shares a day. This morning it's doing 14,500, and I have room back to at least 87.30. Okay, more likely 88 bucks. So MDT can get put on my list. Okay, now next, BILI. I've never traded this stock. Let's see what's going on with it. Gapping to $13.84. You can see that right there, $13.90. Go over here. Wow, it's gapping over a wide range red bar on 200,000 shares. Absolutely, right? Going to add to this why it's gapping up to that area right there. Okay, so BILI on the list. All right, take a look at Baidu. 241.60. All right, it needs to. Okay, let's blow up the 60-minute chart for a second. All right, over here is a 60. It really needs to get over 245, 246. It's not quite there yet, so I'm going to put that on a backup watch. All right, not going to look at it, not going to look at it, not going to look at it. Let's take a look at SELG, 78.82. Not a great gap, but it is down a lot of days on the 60-minute here, and it is gapping above this area on pretty good volume, so I'm going to add SELG to the list. CELG is on the list. Okay, not going to look at it, 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 just hold this, not going to look at it. So now we go all the way down here. Okay, not going to look at it, not going to look at it, not going to look at it. ASML is an ADR. All right, so I'm not going to look at it, not going to look at it. Not going to look at it. Again, Bud is an ADR. I don't trade ADRs. Those are American Depository Receipts. They're foreign stocks domiciled in the United States. Okay. SPLK, interesting little idea. All right, but it still has some work to do on SPLK. Okay. Probably not going to put it on the list. All right. Keep going down. SBOT. All right. $2.73. Gapping right over that area. Normally this stock is very thin, but today it's doing 1.4 million shares. It could be a buyout, I don't know, but I'm going to put it on the list. All right. Remember, guys, we're going to go back over this list later on and take off what we don't like and maybe add one or two that we do like. Okay. So Baidu already talked about. I'm on the wrong section. There we go. Okay. Back down here. So NXPI 113.05. This stock's been a real pain in the neck to trade lately. We could put it on a backup watch list perhaps, okay, but I'm not going to put it on the main watch list. I'm not going to look at it. BTI is an ETF and an ADR. Not going to look at it, not going to look at it, not going to look at it. So guys, I'm done that list already. All right, even with talking to you guys and going through the list, it took me about 4 minutes to get through those stocks, okay? About 4 minutes. I'll take a quick look right here. Let's see, ACRX could be interesting. Mediocre. SMRT. Now remember, this is a dollar gainers list, guys. Dollar gainers list. Okay, I'm going to add SMRT on the list. Okay. Otherwise, I'm not seeing a lot of stuff that I like. So far, at the moment, I have 6 stocks on the long list, and most of them are just, they're just okay. They're not great. They're just kind of so-so. Now, that was the long ideas. Now let's go to, you ready for it? Dollar losers list. This is the dollar losers list. Click. Okay. Now you have to keep in mind too, guys, that today the market is gapping down slightly at the moment. All right, let me double check that. I think it was gapping down slightly. Yes, it is. Okay, 0.12%, 0.19% on the SPY. All right, so let's take a look at the losers list. WHR, 311,000 shares, 157. Guys, 157 puts it right there. That's a good gap. So I'm going to add that to my watch list. Okay. REPH, 50%. That's too big of a gap for me. And the HB means it's hard to borrow. The HB means I can't short it or I have to call and try to get shares. So on this particular one, I'm not really that interested in it, but it could go lower. Next, BBBY. This is a pretty good gap to $71, all right? Gapping under a green bar with room down to 66. So BBBY, I should just say BBY. All right, let's take a quick look at NTAP. This is a nice gap, but here's the problem, guys. It's down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, and now it's gapping at 63.55. So this is a borderline one. Some people will put this on their list and some people won't. I'm probably going to be of the nature where I won't put it on my list. Okay, I want really just the top ideas. And if this goes lower, then so be it. Okay, it is extended. It is gapping under a double bottom. So there are reasons to put it on the list, but I am a little bit concerned about it. Okay. All right, let's check out Amazon. Probably nothing on that. Yeah, nothing on Amazon. WUBA, WUBA 8180. Nothing there. Goog, no. LB, hopefully this will be something. 3185. That's a quality gap. Okay, it's only has about $1, but it's printing 81,000 shares. It's in a downtrend, so it's weak. It's had about 5 days to consolidate, so it's not extended, and it's gapping into this area. So LB goes on the list. Okay. TUR is hard to borrow. I'm not going to look at it. PBR, 1340. We can watch this, guys. Kind of, it's right at support, but if it gets under there at 1320, perhaps this can go. It is an ADR, and I do not generally trade ADRs, but this is a decent gap, so I might just keep it on the list. All right, SQM. Notice I'm skipping all the stocks that don't have volume, guys. That's hard to borrow, so I skipped it on BRZU. All right, nothing, no volume, skipped it. No volume, skip it. Hard to borrow, skipped it. No volume, skipped it. AOB, too light, skipped it. Hard to borrow, skipped it. Melly, too thin, skipped it. Notice how many I'm skipping, guys. And this helps me scan faster. 5187 on SQM. I like it. I'm going to add it to the list. Okay. All right, continue down again. This is an ETF. I'm going to skip it. SHPG is an ADR. I'll take a quick look at it, but I'm probably not going to put it on the list. Nope. TTM is another ADR. I'm not going to look at it. I'm bringing them up just for you guys to see that. ABBBV, nothing terribly special there. So again, nothing here, nothing here. WLL, 49.80. This is a tough one, guys. Yeah, nothing there on that either. EIGR is hard to borrow, so I'm not even going to look at it. MLNT, this could be interesting, 535. I'll throw this on the list, guys. MLNT. Okay. Keep going down. Keep going down. ExxonMobil, take a look at that. Could be interesting, but it needs to get under 80.50, so if anything, it's on a backup. I believe this is an ETF, the EWZ. Not going to look at it, not going to look at it. BP. I'll take a quick look there. Nope. BBL. So you guys can see, guys, the last one here on this side is XOP, $42 gap in right to support. I'll take a quick look right over here. Facebook, no. AGNC, possibly. Okay, not there. Maybe under 18.50, so I'm going to throw that on the list just because it's 10 cents away from possibly being where we want it to be. All right, guys, so that's that, okay? NYSE, okay, you can quick look there. Nope. So guys, even with explaining this to you guys, even with explaining it, okay, which takes a lot longer, I went through this list in 10 or 11 minutes, okay? So now I have 6 longs and 7 short ideas, okay? So I hope you enjoyed me putting that list together, guys. Let me take a quick screenshot just so you can see. I'm gonna take a quick screenshot here, okay? I'm gonna bring this over. That's my list. I put those ideas that you can see there on the screen, I put those on another monitor, okay? You'll see those later on. Okay, so that's where I put all my ideas. That's how fast it takes me to go and scan a gap list. We looked at probably 300 stocks there. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to get back with you guys. I have to talk to the chat room now for the next 20 minutes. I'm going to explain each one of these ideas that I went over with you guys. And then when the market opens, I'm going to record. Now, what I want you guys to notice is, do I trade the stocks I just put on the gap list? Okay, those, what do we have? 13 ideas, something like that. Am I going to trade those? I bet you $1 million I will. Okay, at least 2 or 3 of those. All right, so have a good one, guys, and I'm going to get back together with you here in about 25-30 minutes for the market open. All right, so I'll see you then. We're going to open here momentarily, guys. I don't have anything that I love, like super love. Normally I tell you guys, hey, I really like this idea or that idea. Selg is kind of the one thing I do like, but I don't love it. Okay, so watch Selg over 79 early, guys. It's probably going to be a 50-cent stop. So watch CELG early over 79, probably a 50-cent stop, but I don't want to see it go right off the open. Okay, I don't want to see it go right off the open. Give us, 2 minutes, 1 minute, what have you, but watch Selg over 79. Okay, watch Selg over 79. Okay, I may place an order in for this soon. So just right now it's got a 10-cent spread. Okay. So right now, guys, I'm going to put an order in just so we have it. We may cancel it. Selg 79 by 78.50. Okay. Just have it out there just in case. All right. Okay. LB, you can keep an eye on, guys. LB. Just remember to share size appropriately on Selg. The spread opens up to 15 cents. Okay, the spread opens up to 15 cents on Selg. Watch BILI. Okay. Strong over 14.50. Selg is coming up, guys. All right, it's a 50-cent stop. Guys, WHR is interesting. It's going lower right here. It's really, really thin, guys. So let's see what happens with Selg here. It's probably going to trigger here soon. We'll see what happens. Okay. Watch BILI over 14.50. And guys, what about PBR under 13? PBR under 13 is very interesting, guys. If you're looking at a 20-cent stop, what kind of range does this thing do? About 50 cents? Let's do it, guys. PBR 13 by 13, 18.
Filled.
PBR short, guys. All right, PBR short, guys. PBR 13 by 13, 18 short. Sell just filled me in, guys, at 99. Shit. That's not what I wanted to see. Damn.
Order filled.
All right. I need Selg to break. There we go. Okay, we'll see what happens at this point with Selg. Honestly, guys, you could probably could have gotten like a 40-cent stop. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of shares if it'll fill me, and then use 0.60 as a stop. You know what? Shit. It's going past it. All right. I was going to say, guys, let's use a tighter stop on Selg. But we don't have that option, guys, okay? And lately, this thing has been only putting in about $1.20 days, so we'll see. PBR, guys. All right, I'm in PBR, guys. It went 1R, actually. Wow, it went 14 cents, guys, on PBR on an 18-cent stop. So I'm going to, if we get there, guys, I'm going to cover some at like 82. Guys, lower the stop on PBR to 1307, guys. 1307 on the stop. Okay, PBR stop to 1307. All right, that went almost 1R, guys, so it may come back and tag us. Yeah, it's going to. Once it breaks these shares at 13, see those shares there at 13? Once it breaks those, this is going to be over for us quick. I'm tempted to go to 1302 on it. Selg's not looking good. PBR's not looking good. Wow, look at that MDT rip, guys. Yep, here it comes, guys. Here comes the PBR. Yeah, here comes the PBR, guys. See it? I doubt it comes back down. I bet you it pops up. Bet you it pops up. Yep. All right, we'll see. Wow, MDT just... Wow. I'm just watching the PBR because I think we're about to get tagged on it. Come on back now. That'd be great if that held by a penny. Come on, baby. That never happens these days, right? They never hold by a penny. WHR is lower. PBR had a great initial move, guys. A great initial move. But you know, the rest of it just didn't quite get it done. Selg, guys, we're going to make a decision on Selg. You know what? I'm too late again. I want to try to share size for like 30 cents on Selg. You know? I want to try to share size for like 30 cents on Selg. I can't anymore. We can't. All right? So I need 75, guys, on Selg, which is a lot. It's a lot. Okay? $79, $75 area. I'm kind of bummed. We had multiple opportunities to get a much tighter stop on Selg. PBR, am I out of it yet? Nope. PBR is just not looking good, guys. It'll be about a quarter-hour loss if it stops. Okay. Selg, raise your stop to 78.80, guys. 78.80. 78.80, Selg stop. Okay. 78.80. I'm so bummed I didn't get more shares of Selg. PBR is going to tag me here, guys. All right. PBR is going to tag me here.
Order
I'm at
filled.
05. I took slippage. I'm out at 07. Okay. Out PBR at 1307. Okay. And I'm a little worried about the range on Selg, if you want the truth, guys. 34 cents. If we had a tighter stop, we'd be okay, but we're down at 78.80, so we're mitigating. Okay. MLNT looks lower. Man, this MDT just ripped. Look at this thing, guys. Just took off, man, like a bat out of hell. PBR, good exit, guys. Good exit, PBR. I don't trade ADRs very much, and I guess that's why. Selg went 1R, guys. Stop, break even. All right. I'm going to sell.
Order filled.
There, I just sold a quarter of my shares, guys. Just FYI, I just sold a quarter of my shares. All right, 1/4 of my shares on Selg. Come on, baby, you can do it. We need about 75. Might even try to get 80 out of it. I think this is where Selg pulls back, guys. You know what? I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. I'm going to. It's too late now.
Order
I was going to say
filled.
I'm going to get out half Selg. I did. So I'm out half Selg, guys. Just FYI, I'm out half Selg at about 1R. 1 penny less than 1R. Okay? All right, so I'll put that in here. Out half Selg at 1R. Stop, break even. Target is 79.75 area. All right, we're going to see a pullback soon on Selg, guys. Okay, we're going to see a pullback soon on Selg. Good exit on PBR, guys. We stopped out, but it was a good exit nonetheless. Yeah, Billy was nice, guys. Billy was a great gap. All right. Take a quick screenshot of that. Later. Selg coming back. This is what I expected, unfortunately, on Selg. We'll make a half of an R if Selg stops. Kind of tempted just to walk at 1R, but it's too late now. It's too late now. All right, talk to me, guys. What else we have? LB bounced heavy. BILI is bouncing. Selg pulling back to be expected. WSM over 55. I'm surprised nobody's really mentioned this, guys. I think that's an interesting idea. Not perfect, but kind of popped up to 55.10. I want to keep an eye on it. So far, the markets are as advertised, which is boring. SBOT. Man, SBOT, I mean, it's got room. I just don't have an entry on it here, but yeah, it's got room. I'm going to be scanning here soon. All right. I'm going to be scanning here soon. SQM was a great miss for me to, oh, you mean like a fortuitous miss? 51.75. No, it wasn't a fortuitous miss. That was just a flat out bummer of a miss. Yeah, I didn't see that 2-minute 3-bar play, which is interesting because I do have it on my chart. Yeah, I see it now. I wasn't looking at it. Yep. I'm going to start scanning a little bit, guys, and see what I have going on. I am watching WSM. Where's the WSM? Yeah. Guys, I'm going to take another. I'm going to be out Selg 3/4, guys. All right, I'm out 3/4 of Selg at 1R. I'm going to make 3/4 of an R, and we'll see if the back can get up there a little bit higher. Okay. All right, we'll see. It's back at the high of the day. You can see it right there on my screen. I'm chickening out a little bit on this thing. I'm kind of bummed on PBR. I'm glad we got out where we got out, but it went almost 1R. We mitigated. You know, we took about 0.4R loss on it, about a 0.4R loss. So that's not bad. Like I keep telling you guys, if you're going to lose small. The one I'm a little bit regretful of is the BILI. Why? It was the best gap out there. Right? Look at this gap on BILI. We talked about it, guys. I mean, wow, that's a hell of a gap, right? It's a hell of a gap. So I'm a little bummed with regard to that. Hopefully Selg goes another 10 cents here, guys. Selg stopped 79.20, guys. Selg stopped 79.20. All right, I'm looking for basically another 10 cents from here. Okay, you can see it. Selg stopped to 79.20. Putting it under this little 1-minute pivot. See it right there? Blow it up. See that 1-minute pivot right there? Right there. That's where I'm putting the stop. It's a bummer we didn't get the tighter stop on Selg. I'm really disappointed with myself, guys. And it's going to tag us here. It looks like anyway. All right. OAS. Maybe. You know, I'm not a huge fan of that right here, but it does look like it's going to go lower. H-U-Y-A. Alicio, what's happening, brother? Over 21, I liked it, Alicio, but not here. If you mentioned that at 21 like 3 minutes ago, then I would have said absolutely. I would have been in it. No bullshit, I would have been in it with you. WSM long, I think I'm going to have to agree with you, Chana. We need a 60-cent stop. So let's do it, guys. WSM. 54.99 by 54.40. Here it is. WSM 54.99 by 54.40. Okay. WSM. It's a bit aggressive. It's a bit aggressive. Kind of hoping it. There we go. Sell. Come on, baby. One more pop. One more pop. I'm gonna walk,
Order
guys.
filled.
All right, I'm out. My average exit is not very good on Selg, but I'm gone. Out Selg at 79.54, so I got like 1.1 R out of this thing. Okay, pretty crappy trade management. Let's call it what it is, Jared. Pretty crappy trade management. You should have gotten at least an R&a-half out of that, but I got a little nervous after that PBR tagged us. All right, so there you go on the Selg. Nice pattern at 79 bucks on a 1 minute 3-bar play. All right. It was good and bad, Jeff, right? Meaning it was good. The pattern was a genuine 3-bar play, but it was bad because I poorly managed it. And that shakeout bar is what really got me a little nervous, but shakeout bars are better. For those of you out there on YouTube, wherever, and you guys don't think 3-bar plays happen, guys, WSM, I got nothing, guys. I got totally skipped. There I am on WSM getting totally skipped. What about you guys? I don't know how much room I gave it. I may not have given it enough room, honestly. But I got totally skipped. In at 01? Okay. Wow, at 01. Where'd you start your order, Joseph? I started my order at 99. Really? And you actually got filled? Wow. And you're not on simulator? You're on like real money? Yeah, if you got it at 85, you're going to get filled, right? But I didn't start my order at 85. Anyway, guys, Selg, for those of you who think 3-bar plays don't happen every day, wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. The only problem is it blasted off, pulled back, then blasted off, but it still worked. We should have had a 30-cent stop on Selg. My bad on that. Nonetheless, it still went almost 2R, right? It went 1.8R. Time to move on, guys. Time to move on. So for the YouTube folks, I'm shutting the recording off about $1.70 today or something like that. Just a shade under an R today. Not that great, honestly. But I hope you enjoyed that, plus the pre-market review.